Most appliance reliability videos are based on lab tests or surveys. This one isn't. I logged 33,190 real service calls last year. So this isn't guesswork. It's what actually breaks. I'll walk you through what are the best brands and what you can expect in your first year. Before we get started, here's something you need to know. We only count the first year because it's the most accurate. We offer free warranty service, so if something breaks, we're the ones that fix it. It's also pretty accurate because most appliance problems happen in year 1 or end of life. We also only sell 19 brands, not 75 like most other stores, because we don't want to be continually fixing unreliable brands. So even number 11 on this list is more reliable than most any other brands. Last thing, when you see the most reliable brand, you'll see a pattern we'll explain at the end. Choose a solid, reliable choice, warrant performance without spending more. Covers the basics, cooking, laundry, refrigeration, a lot of extras. However, don't expect much design flexibility. It's practical, not flashy. SKS is LG's high-end brand. Their Pro range combines sous vide, induction, and gas burners all in one. The 48-inch fridge has dual ice makers and a convertible drawer. However, it's high-tech, so make sure there's good service where you live. Bosch has always been one of the most reliable dishwasher brands we carry. They're quiet, efficient, have low service. The fridges and cooking products are solid too. However, like most brands, Bosch's refrigerators bring up the overall service rate. LG Studio gives you upgraded features and better finishes than standard LG, like their steam assist oven with a built-in speed oven on the top. However, LG Studio and SKS can blur together. Focus on features, not the label. Profile offers upgraded cooking and excellent laundry for the price. However, there's some overlap with a better cafe line, but is typically priced better. Benchmark is Bosch's premium line. The induction cooktops, whether it's Bosch, Benchmark, or Thermador, are some of the most reliable you can buy. Dishwashers too. However, the upgrades over standard Bosch are modest. You're paying more for a premium look and a few extra finishes. Gaggenau is one of the best built-in cooking brands on the market. Welbs have 17 modes, and their induction cooktops are part of Bosch's ultra-reliable platform. However, their new controls coming out this year are untested, and they don't compete in the heavily serviced Pro range category. Sharp builds some of the most reliable microwaves, drawers, countertops, and over the range. However, that's because microwaves in general don't break much. Also, their drawer microwave patent expires this year, so expect newer, cheaper competition soon. Miele makes the most reliable dishwashers and laundry parts you could buy. Everything's built in their German factory except for the rack rollers. However, prices will increase in 2026 due to tariffs. And about Miele, it may be better to buy sooner than later. LG's front-load laundry is consistently amongst the most reliable we sell for the last decade. Dishwashers are surprisingly solid too, aside from a small upper rack issue this year. However, like every brand, their refrigerators burn up the service rate. LG's had compressor issues, including 2 class action lawsuits. There is, in fact, about 1.1% chance you'll need a new compressor within 5 years. Good news, it's covered under warranty. Bad, like with any brand, it can be tough to find someone to actually get placing. Speed Queen is the most reliable brand we sell, period. It's based on commercial laundry tech, heavy, simple, and built to last. It's also front serviceable and easy to fix. However, you trade size and features to that reliability. Top-load Speed Queen has just 2.7 feet of usable space. It costs around $1,500. Front load from LG or G could be twice the capacity for less money. But durability is your priority. Nothing beats Speed Queen. Now that you've seen the list, here's what it really means. Laundry is the most reliable category. LG, Miele, Speed Queen, they all do it well. Refrigeration's the least, especially French door fridges with ice makers. No brand has cracked that one yet. So when planning your kitchen, reliable laundry is easy to find. Reliable refrigeration, it takes more research. And no matter what you buy, make sure someone can fix it in your area. That's just as important as the brand itself. We service everything we sell and got 6 showrooms around Boston, which you might see these brands for yourself. Like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. It tells us to keep making honest, useful content that cuts through the noise. Thanks for watching.